I'm confused. Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out this stocking cap method, so I'm getting right into the video. So first you see me cutting holes to get my ears through the actual stocking cap, and I got this method from Glamazante. Now I'm taking, I was gonna take Got to Be Glued, but I decided to take I think it was the Ghost Bond or Chic Bond, lace glue, and I applied that right in front of my hairline and kind of smeared that out, flattened it out so it was even all around, and blow dried on cool. So this is the first layer, and I was gonna do 2 layers of that, but I decided to next go in with the Got to Be Glued free spray over the Chic Bond lace glue, and it was kind of just to reinforce what I had already done with the lace glue so that the wig cap wasn't going nowhere. Side note, after I took off the wig cap was still stuck. So if you wanted to stay for days, this is the method. So once it dried, I went ahead and cut off all of the extra wig cap and from around my ears as well, so that I can go ahead and start applying the wig. I do want to say, if you use lace glue to lay down the actual wig cap, this whole process will definitely be way shorter than if you were to use the free spray the whole way around. Now that's why I reinforced with the free spray at the end, but trying to dry out that free spray takes like a really long time, because I tried that before and took forever. But the wig that I will be applying today is from RPGhair. This is their 360 Yaki wig, and I have it in 16 inches. Now all I did was bleach the top of the wig and then went in with a orangey color from Adore to get that color. Now here you already see that the lace is already cut off, but one thing I do want to say, one mistake I made, I bleached the knots and then I decided that I wanted to color the hair after, so I ended up just doing the watercolor method and ended up coloring the knots. So I mean, the scalp is a little orangey, but whatever. So to apply the wig, I just went in with the Got to Be Glued. I didn't really want to use the lace glue because I didn't want to have it like a permanent wig. Like if I wanted to switch my hair, I could, but I would just have the cap that wouldn't move underneath, if that makes sense. So regular application method with the Got to Be Glued, spray and blow dry on cool until it is tacky, sticky. Lay the lace down. Yeah, that's basically it. So being that I applied the stocking cap with the actual lace glue, that stocking cap, like I said, was stuck for a couple days, so I was able to spray some water on the perimeter of the wig to basically make it come off with the Got to Be Glued, but the actual wig cap was not going anywhere, so it was easy for me to just apply another wig with the Got to Be Glued and call it a day. And so I think this is the best method to do this stocking cap method. That way you can still switch up your wigs but have a stocking cap, you know, laid at the bottom so nobody will see the band of your actual wig cap. Now once the wig was completely applied, I just tied one of those wraps around the edges so it can kind of set in, and then I blow dried the hair, straightened the hair, and yeah, this round brush method did not last me long, girl. My wrist was on fire. But one thing I do want to say, that obviously this hair takes color very well, and because it's 360, I am able to wear it up in a ponytail, 2 ponytails or whatever. It's just tracks in the middle and then frontal in the front, and also around the other perimeter of the wig. That's why it's called 360. And as you can see, this Yaki hair straightens very well, and it mimics kind of like relaxed black hair, basically. Yeah, relaxed black hair. It has like a texture to it, but then it still gets like super straight. So I did really enjoy that, especially because I be missing my straight hair sometimes, but I refuse to put that heat on my hair. So this texture is really perfect for people who want that natural look, especially because I don't have it like in a super long length, so it's like a natural, you know, natural looking length, and this orange color was popping. But now here you can see that the knots were kind of colored orange, which is okay. It's fine. I'm not even gonna worry about it. And I also went in and did the wispy hair baby method by cutting the hair on the edges. Now, if you guys want a full tutorial on the wispy baby hair look, make sure you guys go check out that video. That video is on my channel. And quick side note, I do want to say, a lot of you guys comment under my recent videos and say, you know, you should do a video on this, or do you have a video on this? And sometimes you guys actually DM me. So one thing that you guys can do to check to see if a certain video that you're looking for is on my channel, you can go to the YouTube search bar and search, you know, braid out, twist out, how to lay a frontal, color tutorial, watercolor method, whatever, space, Lex's hair. And if that is on my channel, it will pop up in the search results. So I just wanted to kind of add that in there, because I've been getting a lot of DMs with people asking me if I have a video on certain things, and I know I have a lot, so it's hard to kind of just scroll through. But yeah, I pretty much laid the wig down the part area with the hot comb, and after that I was pretty much finished. I did love the ending result, and if I figure out a way to fix the roots up, I will definitely do a video on that. But I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.
Mine, I bought it, it's 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 mine.